Guys, in previous videos we talked about adding cabinets and base cabinets, and we talked about the specific heights. In this video we're going to talk about toe kicks. So when you put in an order, the system will automatically calculate the length of toe kick material matching the door material for your quote. Currently, the system is showing these little rectangles, which actually represent plastic leg levelers. Now, I know the word plastic is scary for a lot of people, but we use very heavy-duty, high-grade ABS plastic leg levelers that are adjustable by 1.5 inches. And I'll make another video or a different video talking about them. And the reason why we do it like this is it's very much more efficient in terms of shipping. A lot of field variations can be accommodated for quickly and easily. There's always some question about floors and floor thicknesses. So the leg levelers really offer you a lot of flexibility for install. Each leg leveler, a set of 4, will hold over 1,000 pounds each on each cabinet. So the weight load is not a problem, especially for heavy cabinets and stone tops and stuff. The one main benefit of having plastic leg levelers is whenever there is a leak or a service issue, it's easy to take the front of the toe kick off and then access the bottom or underneath of the cabinets without having to do a whole lot of additional work or repairs. And that's why we elect to use the leg leveler system, and it's also the correct European way of doing it. A lot of other contractors like to have waterproof plywood on the floor. And if that's something you guys would like to have as your job instead of the plastic leg levelers, that material can be ordered in rips from us if you contact the office and tell them the request. We do not make ladder kicks out of the plywood because there's too many complications or variables that occur trying to make ladder kicks that fit on the field. So that's how our leg levelers work with our toe bases. And I know I said a lot and I kind of waffled along. If you have any questions, please contact the office and we can clarify for you. And I'll see you in the next video.